Hey friends, I'm so excited to use my avocado tool from Pampered Chef for the first time. Today we're making guacamole and I'm using tomatoes from my garden. Let's go. Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to make guacamole for you all today. I'm using minced garlic, red cherry tomatoes from my garden. You can use any tomatoes you want. Usually I use Roma tomatoes, but I'm using what I have from my garden. I'm using 2 lemons and 4 avocados. Now when you're picking out these avocados, give them a squeeze. You don't want them to be too squishy or hard. So these are just perfect. I got 4 of them. And I look forward to using my avocado tool from Pampered Chef. This tool has a serrated edge for cutting the avocado in half. It has an awesome tool for getting the center out, and it also has a soft edge for getting all of the meat out of the avocado. All right, let's go. First, I'm going to cut the avocados in half. That cut so smoothly with the serrated edge. To clean out the avocado and put them in the bowl. I am impressed how much I was able to get out. Going well. I am really impressed how much I'm able to easily scrape out of there. Amazing. Looking good. This can be discarded. Now I'm going to use my Pampered Chef paring knife to cut these lemons in half. Beautiful. Now I'm going to put the lemon juice into this bowl. Squeeze the lemon juice into this to keep the seeds out. All right, there we go, lemon juice. I'm gonna pour the lemon juice. Yeah, the lemon juice is to add a little bit of tartness to it, but more than anything, it's to keep the green from browning very fast. This is 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Or you can mince your own garlic. I don't have a food processor, so I'm going to use a blender to blend my tomatoes. Okay, now it's blended. I'm going to mix it in here. I'm going to use my mix and chop. All right, now we're going to have some chips and guacamole. Thanks for watching. Bye. Are you trying it?